Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Michael's behind the camera. Ginger is, look at her like a vacuum cleaner.
That's right. Vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner.
Teddy's sitting on the couch, and it's like 106 degrees today in Austin, Texas.
That's right.
But that's why I'm like indoors. I'm not going out at all.
What we got going on over here?
It's so dry and hot outside that it feels that you're gonna catch on fire yourself.
That is
So
right. That is
try to drink a lot
right.
of liquids. And today, I am gonna make shrimp stir fry
Yes.
with onions, peppers, garlic. So you can see
Oh yeah.
the garlic over there, red onions, peppers. This is some cilantro
Oh yeah.
that I have there too.
We showed in the beginning the raw shrimp
exactly.
and the veggies that were cut up. And now here's the
So
recipe.
what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this on.
All right. On
And
what?
we're gonna put the shrimps on high.
On high, on high.
And I'm gonna chop this cilantro because at the end we're gonna put that in. Now move, Michael.
All right. Moving out.
We're gonna put all the veggies in there
Chop it on, chop it on.
like that. Eh?
Very
We're
nice.
gonna like, you know what I'm saying? Cook.
Already smells good.
It does, right?
That's right.
Telling you, man.
I mean, just look at Teddy. He's waiting for his.
Huh?
Teddy's waiting for his food.
Hi, Tete. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? I
And
can't
ginger.
be giving them. And I just put a little bit more of oil.
All right.
It's canola oil.
That's right. Vegetable oil.
And it's on high.
Yes.
See? So that smells so good. Oh.
I know. You gotta make sure you cook the onions thoroughly. You do not want raw
I
onions.
like putting oregano, a little bit of my oregano on it.
Dried oregano?
Oh, yeah, dry oregano.
Let me see, let me see.
This is the leaf. This is not the oregano that comes in this jar. That's Mexican oregano.
Oh.
Directly from Mexico because it's really, really
Oh, okay.
good. I've been sneezing a lot today. I don't know
Wow,
why.
she
Sorry,
has to
guys.
have the sniffles.
Yeah. So we got the onions and the peppers here.
All right.
See, and now I'm going to throw the shrimp in there too. It's on high.
They're right here.
And these are the shrimp.
Shrimp
These are,
it up,
I think
shrimp
these
it
are not
up.
medium sized, Michael.
These
No?
are medium-sized shrimp, deveined and peeled.
Exactly. So I just rinse them off. I put them under the water, rinse them off.
All
They
right.
were in a bag and they were frozen.
Ooh.
You know? So we're going to throw him in here like that.
Throw it in, throw it
And
in.
we're just going to cook them, guys,
That's right.
until they get, and we're going to mix it with the onion. Wow.
Mix it
That's
up,
like
mix
fish
it
already, Miss
up.
Mike.
Mmm.
You see, with the onions,
I love
the
it.
green peppers, the garlic.
This is the healthiest food
What
you
else?
could
The
eat.
garlic, oregano.
Seafood.
Red onions chopped up, a quarter of a red onion chopped up. If it's a tiny little onion, you can chop the whole thing. A quarter of a green pepper chopped up, look, in little square slices. 2 cloves of garlic.
That's
I chopped
right.
them up and I threw them in. A little bit and a little bit of oregano. That's all I have in here.
That is all, that is all. Very
just
simple,
like-
yet effective.
So I have it on high, so what I'm going to do is cook it all the way like that.
That's right.
Then I wanted to put a tomato in. What do you think?
Well, you like tomatoes?
I love tomatoes.
I like tomatoes. Tomato, tomato,
Tomato.
Show
So
everyone.
what I'm gonna do,
All right.
this is a Romano tomato.
Is it a Roma tomato or a Roman tomato?
It's a Roman
Comment down below,
tomato.
everybody. Let us know.
No, they don't have to let us know. I'm letting everybody know. This is a Roman
Well, I
tomato.
never knew.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, this is what it is, Michael.
Oh, all right.
You know?
She
You know what I'm doing?
knows, she knows.
Of course I do. Okay. Just gonna cut it like this. It doesn't matter how you cut it, as long as you cut it.
Yeah.
You see?
You want to give it that acidity, right?
The acidity, we're gonna use some limes.
Lime it up, lime it up.
Inside, I have some lime in the fridge. I'll get in there. But we have to let that cook. You see how it's cooking?
Yes.
So while that's cooking, I'm cutting my tomatoes, right, Mike?
That's right.
Eh? Like that. See? And they're cut up
Cut 'em up, cut 'em
in tiny little
up.
pieces, right? Ooh, I love me a tomato, let me tell you.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have some?
Michael,
Aw.
stop putting that camera on my face like that. I'm gonna knock you out. Don't do that.
What did I do?
You put it on my face like that. I don't know why you do that. And then
Wow.
everybody's gonna see all my imperfections.
I'm
on
sorry,
my face.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you see? Wow, this smells really good, Mike.
That's right.
You know? Right?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. I'm gonna throw the tomatoes inside, like that.
Oh, look at that, guys. Guys and gals.
And I still gotta let it, you know what I'm saying? Cook.
Yes.
And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of salt.
Salt it on, salt it on.
And
Wow.
we're gonna put some pepper. We're gonna crack some pepper.
Pepita, pepita.
Yeah, you gotta
Black pepper, right?
Exactly. Some black pepper.
Not white pepper.
Some black pepper.
Black
It has a
pepper.
kick to it.
That's right. It's actually, it tastes a lot better. In my opinion.
And I want to put a little drop of Old Bay.
Old Bay, Old Bay.
Smells just like
Can I smell? Can I smell?
like all kinds of seasoning, like
Oh, it smells so
lobster,
good.
shrimp, crabs. When you go to a restaurant and you have that smell,
That's right.
usually restaurants they use a little bit of Old Bay and they put it on your food.
That's right. And you're like, what's that smell? It's that.
Exactly.
The Old Bay.
Okay. So that's what we're doing. See us on high, right, Mike?
All right.
Right?
High it up, high
So it
it
has to still cook. You see,
up.
there's some shrimp that are not cooked yet.
Yeah, how do you know when they're cooked?
They'll
Like
turn
to an
pink.
amateur.
You see they'll turn pink. You see how the other side's not cooked?
Yeah.
But this side's turning pink.
Yeah.
So you gotta.
So it
let
has to be
set.
pink on both sides before it's considered cooked. Do not
Considered
eat
cooked.
raw fish.
No,
Do
you don't
not.
want to do that.
Yes,
You get sick.
that's right. Cook it all the way through.
Yeah, just
Wow,
like
that's
that.
smoky.
It smells really good. Look at this.
Look at that, look
like
at that. Do I like it? No, I don't like it. I love it.
But what I'm gonna do is still, and then we fry. We make some platano chips
Yes.
that I have here, so we can eat it with that. And
Mmm.
I'm gonna make some lettuce, tomatoes. You know, so we're gonna have salad, and we're gonna have. Let me put it over here. And we're gonna have. Don't be eating all the plantain chips, Michael, for that.
They're so good, they're so
I
good.
know. But then we eat it all,
Mmm.
and then we have none.
Mm-hmm.
But food.
I promise I won't.
Just wiping
I
this.
pinky swear.
So you see that broth?
Yep.
See that broth coming out?
Yeah.
That's from the shrimps itself.
Right. The flavors,
Yeah, well,
the
yeah.
juices, the deliciousness.
And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 2 lines that I have because we're gonna be taking this off soon.
Momentarily. Now you don't want to overcook the shrimp because then they become like bullets, like rubber bullets.
Yeah, you don't want to overcook it. Wow,
No?
that's spice. I think it has a little bit of a jalapeno in there.
Spice it
I
up,
put a quarter of a
spice it
jalapeno in there.
up.
Just let everybody know. Oh, over here, that I put a quarter of a jalapeno in there.
Oh, okay.
And I forgot to tell you guys.
Oh,
So then we're gonna take 2 limes,
yes,
right?
yes.
And sometimes when they're too hard, the limes, I do this to soften them up.
Smash them
So they're
up,
juicy,
smash them
exactly.
up.
So we're gonna take this up.
It makes it easier
Bread,
to juice the actual lime.
I'm gonna put this here.
It's almost like tenderizing the lime.
Yeah, hold on. And then I'm gonna take my.
Oh, look at the
lime
color on
slicer.
that. Wow.
You like that?
Oh yeah.
Michael said he likes it, so I'm gonna take the lime. 'cause
Squeeze
we
it
have to
in,
put, the
squeeze
tanginess
it
to it.
in.
What do you call the tanginess to it?
That tang, that acidity
Acid. Yeah, for acidity,
content.
lime.
Because you need the savory to counteract the sweet. Always. Number 1 rule in cooking. Always want to have everything come together.
A lot of shrimp.
That is right, that
So
is
one lime is not
right.
enough. But the acidity for up 2 will be perfect.
And it's so smoky, I can't even see it. You know that?
It's smoky.
I know.
Oh, that's from the.
Oh, there you go. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Wait, I gotta take that thumbnail.
You like that?
Oh, yeah, that's
All
beautiful.
right, okay. And then you
Woo!
see the cilantro
Oh, yeah.
that I cut. We're gonna throw it on the top like that.
And the cilantro gives it more
Gives it
flavor.
that, yeah, exactly.
You ha- like,
Natural flavor. That
to
is
be honest, I
natural.
never liked cilantro until I tried it on shrimp, and it's the
Well,
best.
It's like you don't eat tacos without having cilantro on your thing.
Well, that's
Or
fish
tomato,
tacos
exactly.
and shrimp tacos.
Like a lot of people, they don't like it like that. He doesn't like tomatoes.
You haven't watched that video? Go check it out now.
But these, oh my God.
Oh,
So
yeah.
this is stir fry shrimps.
That's right.
Okay, I'm gonna taste one.
Shrimp stir fry
Shrimp stir fry.
with onions and peppers.
Onion, peppers.
That's right.
Cilantro and jalapeno and
That's right.
tomatoes.
How's it taste? How's it taste? What's it missing?
Missing nothing.
Well, what is that?
A little bit more of Old Bay.
Okay, and that's for seafood, guys. Just so you don't know, you get it at your local supermarket. Old Bay seasoning for all kinds of seafood: crabs, fish,
crab,
shrimp,
shrimp.
lobsters, everything.
And voila. Here we are.
Woo! That's right.
And let me turn it off.
Yeah.
And this is your shrimp stir fry.
Look, smoke it.
With plantain chips and jalapenos.
That's right.
With plantain chips and salad. Right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Mike, are you putting your hands in there?
No. Hold on, I want to take. Well, that look at this. Look, that is absolutely beautiful.
I don't want to burn you. You can get
Will
on the
not
other
burn,
side.
will not burn.
And this is what it's gonna look like. So
You know who will be
thanks for
proud?
washing.
Shout out to Chef Ramsay.
Yeah.
If you watch our video.
These are mine. Dad doesn't like it, so me and you gonna eat them all.
Oh, I'm okay with that.
Well, that half for you and half for Mama. That's right.
Shrimp it up, shrimp it up, shrimp it up. With some plátanos and some salad.
That's right. And with that,
A feast.
I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to look us up on Instagram and on Twitter.
Follow us on
Like
Facebook.
Facebook, Pinterest, Google Plus. Tumblr. I keep on forgetting about Tumblr. I don't know why. Like my mind goes out. And I
It's a
don't
blog type site.
But anyway, guys, if you live here in Texas and you watch my show and you're here in Austin, Texas, try to stay indoors. It's really, really hot. With the
It's like 108, guys.
108, 110. They say with the index. I went to the gym early this morning, like a little bit ago, and it was so hot. I drove up to the gym, which is in the front.
That's right.
And it just so hot. I was outside maybe like half a minute walking into the gym, and I just felt like I was gonna melt, like my skin was gonna jump out and say help. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Try to duplicate my my shrimps and
Ingredients
if you
in the
like
description
it,
down below.
Let us know how it came out. And I also want to let you know that starting next week, I'm going to start answering questions that all you guys have. So I'll be answering 5 questions once a week. And we're going to do this, I say...
A Q&A.
Every Monday.
That's
every
right.
Monday I'm going to be answering 5 questions. Well, with that, I'm going to let you guys go. You know what to do. Let's love each other. Stay in. Don't drink and drive. And thanks for watching. You say have a great day, guys.